Hi there, students. To converge, a verb. Convergent or converging as an adjective. And then the noun, convergence. The opposite is to diverge. So to converge talks about two or more things that are getting closer and closer. So think about two lines. Think about two lines. These two lines are converging. As we go upwards, they converge. As we go down, they diverge. Okay? So to converge, and maybe they converge where they meet as well. So to converge, going together, going in a direction which will meet. We also use to converge, meaning to come together from different directions and to eventually meet. People from all over the country converged to watch the final of the competition in the stadium. The crowds converged on the stadium. To converge on, to go towards. They're all going towards the same place. The emergency services converged on the place where the accident had taken place. Several roads converged, met, and there was a roundabout. Now, we can also use to converge more figuratively, meaning to become more similar, to change towards a common or similar conclusion or result. So they're becoming more homogeneous. I think at the moment in the world, languages are converging. They're becoming more similar. They're swapping words from one another, and like that, they are converging. During the negotiations, the opinions or the points of view of the different negotiators converged. They came closer together. Maybe they didn't meet, and then finally they agreed on certain terms. They reached an agreement. The business interests of the two companies converged more and more, and finally there was a merger between the two companies. So they coming together, they converge, and then finally they merge to become one piece. Notice, do you know this phrase, the global village? This talks about the convergence of societies all over the world. Internet has caused a lot of this convergence. So this coming together, this becoming more similar. So, to converge, to move towards a place from different directions. The crowd converged on the centre of the city. So they're going towards the centre of the city. To converge at an exact point. The crowds converged at Piccadilly Circus. That's where they crossed. To converge, to move towards a point. Moving towards this point. So, lines converge, converging lines that are moving towards each other. Or even to meet. Let's see, do you know the name of the place where the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal converge? Gandhi's ashes are kept there, by the way. So the place where they all converge. Or maybe there was a convergence of the stars when you were born, and this was a really good omen, a good portent. Okay, to become more similar, to converge, converging cultural attitudes, converging tastes. Oh, and finally in maths as well, a series of terms that approaches a limit is known as convergent. The series converges uh, to a certain point. So, for example, 1 divided by x converges to 0, comes closer and closer and closer, yeah, as x increases, obviously. So, to converge, a regular verb. The crowds converged on the stadium. The police converged on the criminal. Um, these opinions have converged for many years. Maybe they have been converging as well. So next question, how formal? I'd probably give it a 5.5 informality. I think it's flexible and you could use it anywhere. It does sound a little bit formal, but I think you could use converge in an informal conversation, but you might want to use to come together or to come closer to each other. And then as to the origin, we have a Latin word, convergere, con, together, and vergere or vergere, to bend. So to bend together. Yeah, they're converging. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Converge.